Hi dear friend, welcome back to your channel Lady Persia. Today I bring you to the largest system of subway in the Middle East. We are in Tehran Metro. Tehran Metro is a new and remarkable underground route. In this underground way, in addition to technology and escalators, you will encounter a wide range of beautiful works of art and wall paintings. And thanks to God, there are no rats or cockroaches in this underground route. Before we get on the train, please subscribe to Lady Persia and hit the notification bell. And be sure that your comments will deeply energize me to improve the content of Walk With Me.
میثاق مچیه اول جنس رو ببینن کیفیت رو ببینن بعد دارم کار اعلاست.
Today's everyone you pass is playing the hamster game and dreaming of virtual money.
یکیش لازمه یکیش خونه لازمه ضروریه تشخیص نقل
دیگه آخه رفتن
Dear friend, if it is possible, please tell me how is the public transportation system in your city? I'm really curious about it.